Welcome to telaHosting. How to transfer or move a domain to another telaHosting account. Sometimes you may want to move a domain from one telaHosting account to another, maybe for better management or consolidating multiple domains. In this video, I will show you how to safely transfer your domain to another telaHosting account step by step. To transfer your domain on telaHosting, you have to submit a ticket from your account. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your telaHosting client area and open a support ticket requesting the domain transfer. We already have a video on how to open this ticket, so do well to check it out. Include the domain name and the account email of the new owner and submit the tickets. Then the new owner must log into their own telaHosting account and open a support ticket confirming that they want to receive the domain. It is important they reference your ticket number in their message. Once both tickets are received, our support team will verify the request, and after verification, the domain will be transferred to the new account. An example scenario is Jane wanting to transfer her domain to Mike. Jane logs into her account and submits a ticket requesting the transfer. Mike logs into his account and submits a ticket confirming he will accept the domain and mentioning Jane's ticket number. The support team verifies both tickets and completes the transfer. And that's it. Easy and simple. Transferring a domain between telaHosting accounts is very simple when you follow the right steps, ensuring minimal downtime and full control over your domain. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video.